Not ready?
No. Let's go. Let's go.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on my mail Jeep. We just shot this thing for an episode of Faster with Newbern and Cotten, and we basically body swapped my all original 1970s mail Jeep, which is right-hand drive, to a late model 2001 TJ four-wheel drive chassis because the mail Jeeps were not four-wheel drive from the factory. So we got all that done, and on the test drive, I allegedly hit a limb and busted the radiator. So I got one off of Amazon. It just showed up, so we're going to put that in here and go do some more testing. Here's what I'm working with. This is a direct replacement aluminum radiator for the mail Jeep. I don't know if it's for the mail Jeep, but it fits perfectly. I've not test fit it with this fan on it yet because I don't know if it's going to clear the water pump because this is a pretty thick setup. I've already modified the core support. I've sliced the original mounts and laid it back about an inch to gain more clearance from the water pump because I did run a clutch fan and then the factory radiator in here, and I had about a 1/4 to 1/2 inch gap between the two. And then when I hit the limb or whatever happened, but the clutch fan got into the radiator and chewed it up pretty good. I think it's right here. Yeah. So there's the old one. It got it pretty good. Has a 20-gallon fuel cell in it. Here's the old clutch fan. I put a full cage in this thing. And I still have to trim the doors. Right here. And all I'm going to do is just kind of radius it like that. Just so I can open the door up a little further to get in and out. But yeah. And I left the original steering column and pedal setup in it. Because why not? My son will get a kick out of that, thinking he can drive while we're going down the road with the doors open. All right, right now I'm going to bolt this radiator in, and then we'll slip the fan in there to see if it fits. It's maybe. Oh, okay. Maybe so. Maybe not. What am I hitting? What am I hitting? Okay, that'd be a big negative. That's not going by a long shot. That's not good because the other one's not that much thinner. Crap. Not gonna work either. Oh, that sucks. All right, I got this one. It's not what I wanted. This is probably a 12-inch. It doesn't cover near the amount of area that I want, but it will fit with no issues whatsoever. Looks like that's our winner. Hopefully this straight six doesn't get hot enough to really need a whole lot. But I don't know. This will be better than nothing. All right, the new radiator is in, fits perfect, got the new fan on. It's not ideal, but it should work fine. I've added a couple of relays, one to control the fan, one to control the onboard air compressor, because I'm going to have some tanks on here that'll have onboard air because the axles have air lockers in them. And then I got a big old horn that's air operated that I'm going to put on the Jeep somewhere. And these will be triggered by grounds, which is right here. So I'm going to put a couple of toggle switches on the dash somewhere for those. And then I got to trim the doors. And it ain't going to take much. Probably come up about 4 inches. come down, then just kind of taper it off, just so I can slide the door open a little bit further to get in and out. So, all right, right now I'm going to finish wiring, and then we'll start cutting. All right, it's time to test the Jeep out. We got all kinds of little riders ready to go. I don't have any harnesses in it yet, so we can't act too crazy, but we can run around the yard to see how it drives, how it stops, how it flexes, and all that good stuff, and how it runs. So let's take it for a rip. All right, crazy driver, you ready? Don't crash me. You know, I've owned this thing for like 6 years, and I never knew the windows slid down. I thought these were permanent. Until I seen a handle at the top one day, and I was like, does this actually come down? And sure enough, it did. So, all right. It's a little loud. I haven't put exhaust on it yet. All right, where are you taking us? I'm gonna follow you. Oh, he's gonna chase Lucas. All right. Throttle is very touchy. Well, this way? All right. You going button? Oh, you're going right to button. All right. We're going up the hill. All right. Hey, girl, you gotta hit your foot.
I'm just gonna stay like this.
You wanna sit like that? Good hill climbing. Oh, what was that? It's kind of four-wheel drive. Neutral, 4 low, 4 high. 4 low. What if it tells me on here anywhere? Nope. What if that works? It's gotta work. It's a lever. Okay. No gas to take off. Let's see if we can crawl. All right, we'll try and crawl up the hill without touching the gas. Didn't work.
Imagine if we just ran over Lucas.
Wouldn't surprise me. He's crazy.
Run over Lucas. Act like you're gonna run over.
All right. What is that right there?
I don't know. It's like something on my side.
What? I need to put a GoPro underneath it to see what that voice is.
Oh, maybe the door.
I think it is the door. I got mad.
I thought we done running over. I was like, what the crap are you doing?
It was your idea. You got control of the wheel. You stayed straight. You didn't even turn. Oh, we're running hot. It's not good. Oh, I don't have the fan on. Okay.
What does that mean?
Hold 1 second, please. I have the...
Say that again.
Oh God, my phone's calling somebody. Jesus.
I'm sorry.
Oh, stop it, stop it.
Who was it?
I don't know. Okay. We gotta ground it. So this is our fan. Right now we're gonna rig it because I don't have any toggle switches. So I'm just gonna vice grip this because it sends a ground signal to the relay to trigger the fan. Just gonna vice grip it to a piece of metal over here. Because I forgot to do that and it's running hot.
What'd you do?
Oh, nothing, just normal. Okay, well that should be better. Crank it up, let it. Hopefully it cools off. Belt's very annoying.
The squeaky stuff?
Yeah. Need to get a bar of soap, shove it down on the belt, it'll make it get quiet. See if it starts to cool down a little bit. About 230 degrees. See right here? We can't let it get in the red. That'll be bad. We're very close though.
That was very fun.
Hey, don't get near the front of it.
Why can't he?
Because if it, not right now, buddy. Because if it builds up enough pressure up front, the hoses will pop and it'll get a bunch of hot water on you. It'll scald you. So
Wait,
look,
can I get out?
yeah. Just don't stay away from the front of it in case something pops up there. I forgot. It's my fault. I forgot to turn the fan on. So now it's just.
Away from the front because of what?
Yeah, stay away from the grill of it. In case one of those hoses pops off, it'll scald you. So.
It's better at least.
Oh yeah. Of
What
course.
if it blows up?
Well, I don't know. I hope not. I've cooled it down and I've added. It was low on water, so it should be okay. If not, I'm gonna have to put a bigger fan on it to keep it.
Can it blow up?
Oh yeah. Yeah, all the stuff I own, there's a good chance that it will blow up. Let's go this way.
This is a bad idea.
Yeah, probably so. Oh, brakes were good.
Can me and Bryce both ride?
Sure.
He said we can. Get him.
You boys ready?
No.
Perfect.
Lean back. Fine. Cause you know what? I'm trying not to lose.
You gonna turn it or what?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, what are you doing? Hey, whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! What are you doing to the tree?
Y'all crazy.
So I'm running to the tree.